post chlorine swim spray with 3 ingredients. Alright, so what I'm using today is, this is just an empty Barrage spray bottle. So it had the toner in it. I'm just reusing this bottle, okay, because it's exactly the right amount. So I need 45 mils of water, and it's a 50 ml bottle. Alright, so what you need for this is just cooled boiled water, some lavender essential oil. You could use peppermint, it's up to you. So my kids prefer the lavender because it's soothing, peppermint's cooling, but they just find it tingles a little bit. That's just their perception. Alright, and then you just need this. So this is vitamin C powder, or ascorbic acid. Alright, so I bought this one from Vitalia, and I think it was about $8, $9, $10 maybe at the most, but you get a lot of it, and you only need a teaspoon at a time. So what I'm going to do is I couldn't find my funnel, but I'm just using this piping nozzle, and it fit perfectly in the top. I'm going to put a teaspoon into the lid here, just so that I can mix it and make it absorb first. Okay, so 1 teaspoon of vitamin C powder into my lid, and I'm just going to add a little bit of hot water to mix it. And then I'm going to pour that into my funnel, into my bottle. This, just let that dissolve. So you can see that it's sitting in the bottom, so just dissolve it. And just use your finger, you can feel it dissolving into the water. It just feels like salt, basically. And what the vitamin C powder does is when you swim in chlorine, that chlorine absorbs into your skin. So when you get out of the pool, you can spray this on your body, and it will help absorb the chlorine out of your skin. Because even just washing it off doesn't fully absorb the chlorine, like until you have soap and water. So this is great to spray at the pool. Alright, so now I've got that all dissolved. I'm going to pour that into my bottle. Alright, so I'm just pouring that into the bottle. There is a little bit here. Alright. Let's just get this bit out of the bottom. So okay, and then so that's just the vitamin C powder mixed with the hot water, and then I put that in the bottom of the bottle. I'm just going to add my lavender now, so it doesn't. So 10 drops of lavender. Okay, and then I'm just going to top that up with water till it's at the top, and then that's it. Let's see if I can do this without the funnel. Right, that's it. And then you just put the lid back on and give it a bit of a shake. And then when you get out of this chlorine pool, you spray this on, and it will help absorb the chlorine out of your skin rather than it, going into your body, because it does have a lot of side effects, chlorine. Now if I get this to spray, there, it's coming out. Alright, so you just spray that on. all over your body. Rub it in. And when you smell like lavender, but also you're getting rid of it, helping to absorb the nasty chemicals from the chlorine pool, which are often really strong in public pools. Right. So all that was a teaspoon of vitamin C powder, cooled boiled water, 50 ml, so this is a 50 ml bottle, and 10 drops of lavender. Alright, so have any questions? Either PM me, pop them below in the live chat, and I'll answer them. And I got this from Vitalia. I think it was about $8 to $10 from memory. And yeah, like I said, teaspoon at a time, and that will last 3 or 4 swimming lessons. Is going to last a while. So it has quite a long, so it has a year and a bit use by date on this. So we get plenty of bottles of post-chlorine swim spray. Alright, hope everyone has a good day and talk to you next time.